Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got a little PR. It's the Pelcas Electric Nail Grinder. It's my unboxing and demo. It came in this really cool nice box, heavy duty box. I love how it says electric nail grinder. It's too funny. I will have links for this down below with any discount codes that may be involved. It's up to you. I just wanted to share my unboxing and demo with you. I am not getting paid a commission or anything. This is just straight up PR. They sent it, and I'm going to tell you what I think about it. Unlock, lock. So there we go to the unlock position. Very nice, very easy, very light. The buttons are easy. They're in good, positions. They're not like, hard to reach, especially if you got wet nails or anything. It's got the little charger port on the bottom. Loved how it came packaged though. It was all nestled down in that little cradle. It also came with some sanding bands. You've got a very coarse one, kind of a medium one, and a lighter one. So there's that. And then you've got like the buffing stones and one little nail bit in there. And then there's the other sanding bands. And then it came with a set of I guess they're drill bits or whatever, and the mandolin or whatever it goes in, the sanding bands go on. And then it came with a really long cord, and I'm really happy with that because I needed a long cord where I'm gonna charge this. And I mean, it is really long, so plug it into your computer and charge that rascal up. It came with a very nice little instruction booklet. It gives you more specific information on, speeds and whatnot. Like I said, I will have some information down in the description box for you to check out. Let's get to it. Alrighty, now that we've got the unboxing done, let me get this camera worked out where we can see good. Let me tell you what I've got going on. I'm going to give this a road test on some tips that I've done. This one is a builder gel in a bottle. It's a Madam Glam Soak Off Builder Gel. This is dip powder done with the dip liquids. This is the tube type of poly gel. And then I have a quick building UV gel in a pot. So I've got on a sanding band here, and we're just gonna turn this rascal on, and it's on a 3. I'm gonna go ahead and bump it up as high as it'll go, and we're gonna get started. I just want to see. Let me get some of these fingers out of the way. I want to see how well it works on all these different types of products. I'm not going to go too crazy. I just want to give it a test run, like I said. And I am not a bit master. You know what I'm saying? I am not the queen of e-files by any stretch of the imagination. You see that is taking off some. And I do have the coarser bit on here. And you can see it's going down to the nail. So that really goes crazy. You're going to have to be careful, with the speed and the type of bit or whatever you're going to put on here. Alright, so I'm going to bump this back down because I would never run it at a 5. I'm more like a 1, maybe a 2. If we're being serious here. Because I'm not wanting to like remove product with mine. Not like remove it. I'm just wanting to smooth things out. And you can hear the sound of it. It's really quiet. A lot quieter than my other one. And I'm not trying to get it by the cuticle. You're good. Because this is my practice hand, and I don't want to go ruining it. This is the Red Iguana practice hand. And that did a really good job on that one. So it's done really well so far on the builder gel, the dip powder, and now for some poly gel. Now see, it's got some hanging off the side. Like I said, I am not the queen of filing, but that smoothed that out really well because it was like a lip like this. Okay, I'm going to bump it through the numbers and get it back down to 1 because that is where I am comfortable. Get that finger looking a little more normal. Actually, I'm going to do the reverse. This is how you reverse it up here. Change that button. There we go. So now I can... Okay. Yeah, I like it the other way. You can tell I am not the queen of that. But yeah, that definitely would smooth out a poly gel nail. And then here's the other, and I don't, what's that called? It's thermal extension gel, quick building gel in a pot. Oh yeah. And it does that too. Now, if I was doing this on my nails, I would be using like the finest bit I could get my hands on. You know? I bought me some like super fine ones because I think I need that for learning purposes. Like I said, I am still at this moment, I'm still a little terrified of my e-file and doing it on my own hand. So we're gonna slow our roll and use a 1 and use my super fine bands because I need to learn without, you know, taking it too crazy. But that worked out really, really well. Let me turn this off. So I did want to go over the different, let me get to it. It's saying that on the 1 gear speed, it's 8,000 RPMs. If you go up to 2, it's like, okay, I'll just let y'all see that if you want to pause it. If you were worried about RPMs and doing your speeds and if this would do it for you, that's what it says. Like I said, I will probably never use it on anything that that high and using the higher grits. And we're also going to pull this out, and I want to try one of these little like bits. You put it in there, lock it, and then turn it on. And this is for getting up around the sidewalls and the cuticle. Like if you were doing a, what they call a dry cuticle manicure. Like I said, I've got it on 1. Because I don't feel confident in my skills. Okay, maybe that's not the one I want. Let's try another one. But I just wanted to share this with you. I'm probably going to, well, for sure, I'll be like sharing this in an upcoming video of mine. I've already done the manicure. I've already recorded it. And I did use this bit for that. But for demonstration purposes, I just wanted to, do a quick demo and to see how it did with the different products. I think it works excellent on this dip powder. I'm really, really impressed with that. Get that finger out of the way. And I was really impressed with how it did for this poly gel. Poly gel, in my opinion, is one of the easier ones to file. It's a little softer than the dip powder.
Yeah, I like this. And it's really, really light. I really like that. I think my favorite is that it's so quiet. And I know y'all probably thinking, "Ooh, girl, I'm never gonna let Tina near my nails with some drilling." Well, and you would be totally correct. You do not want me, and I would not want to do this on a real person's nails. That's why we have practice hands, practice tips, and products to practice with. But definitely loving this drill. Way better than my other one. First of all, I'm not fighting with the wire because it's cordless. And that's probably one of the biggest selling points for me. Oh yeah. But to knock down some of that bulk, if you've got like lumps and bumps, like I can't do a dip powder without it being lumpy bumpy. It's just I haven't been able to do one beautiful up to this point. And so having something like this that I'm comfortable with would be very much needed and appreciated. I will have a link down below. And if there are any discount codes that they're offering to me, I will list them down below also. Like I said, I just wanted to do a flat out demo and show you guys how this worked. I'm sold. I'm telling you, I am so excited about this because my other one just freaks me out. First of all, it doesn't have a locking it doesn't lock the bits in, and that really, it just pushes in. I don't like that, but this one locks. It's light, it's quiet, it's got all the power I could need, and you can plug it in and charge it via UPS to, use your computer. So like I said, I will have links for this down below, and I hope you enjoyed this, and if you've got any tips or tricks for me, send them my way. Leave them down in the comments for me because I'd love to hear from you. And that is it for me today. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself. Talk to you soon. Bye.